Hello guys, I just wanted to make sure I at least jumped on camera once in this video because I know I haven't been on here in a while. In my last video, I didn't even show my face. He's just complaining. Say hi. Say hi, Liam. He's like all up in this video. But this is just a random vlog. It's a fall vlog of things that we've been doing during this season to just stay busy and have fun. It's literally all the way from like probably mid-September to now. Today is actually Thanksgiving Day. I don't know when you'll see this, but it's Thanksgiving Day right now. So happy Thanksgiving. But just doing fun things like taking the dogs for a walk. We got a treadmill now. So I don't think I posted in the video, but I've been walking on the treadmill a lot. Making smoothies, making different foods, going to get my toes done. It's like one of the few things I will still do for myself because I have to get my toes done every now and then. Yeah, just showing you guys some of the things I've been doing to stay busy and not go crazy. We also got a fire pit and my brother is here currently for the holidays, so it's really nice. We fire up the fire pit and we make s'mores, which is kind of cool and nostalgic because I haven't done that since I was a small child. But yeah, I just hope you enjoy this video and let me know if you have any questions. As usual, please like, comment, subscribe, all those lovely things. I will be posting as much as I can. I just realized that my bed is super dirty. Please just ignore that. But yeah, just enjoy. Thanks. Bye. So something that I did this year that I've never done before is I got a brand new iPhone for my two brothers, and my mother. So this is just me recording my brother's reaction because I don't usually do things like this.
You know, enter passcode of your other phone. All right, setting up your phone. This is crazy. This is I feel like a little kid at like a third grade birthday party or something. Hey, happy birthday.
So after this, we decided to go outside and light up the fire pit and roast some s'mores. So that's just what we're doing here. I don't know why, but I just find this so much fun, you guys. Like, I don't mind the mess. This is like the aftermath, but it's just a really good, like, intimate experience and a fun bonding thing to do, like, in the fall. And I'm sure we're going to do it a lot more. This thing is gonna get some good use out of it.
Information sharing between us would be helpful. And this is not being done because we don't want to do it. It's really because we all have, like Josh said, something that we're running towards every time, because there's one thing after the other that's coming, like on our plate, right? But it's just, if we could consciously work towards that information sharing, slowly, I think we can eventually reach a point where everybody
Say hi, Kiki.
Hello.
Guys, look at the reflection of the houses in the water. So cool. I'm doing a fall vlog. That's all you wanted, Lexi? Really? You could do more for the camera?
That's how I got the dog. There you go. You want to see somebody drink?
Yeah, Shayna wants some.
Oh, God.
Why is she going to the thing? She's not going to the... Shayna, drink the water.
Shayna, water.
Water. Shayna, drink the water.
Right there, Shayna, you're stepping on it. So slow.
All the water in the street.
Look at her. She drinks up all the water. Because she runs. I mean, she is like...
This was our Thanksgiving card that went out. It just says, "Oh, so thankful," and it's a picture of all the dogs on the stairs. Dallas, Shayna, Lexi, and Liam. And then on Thanksgiving Day, there's a picture of my brother, myself, my mother, my brother's girlfriend, and my other brother. But yeah, that's us. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little fall vlog, and I plan on doing more soon. Talk to you guys later. Bye.